Hey everyone, welcome back to Smith Talk Sundays. It's Jaleesa and this is my husband Darren, and we are the Smiths. And so what we like to do with these videos is basically just discuss all the same topics that y'all probably discuss in your own household, that you probably have discussions and debates over, same that we do. And we just want to inspire you to have more open dialogue, more open, uncomfortable, sometimes, just like controversial topics of conversation in your own households, because it's healthy and it's a way to just get laid all out on the table and have a healthier marriage. Tonight, today, whatever it is where you're at, we're going to be talking about household chores. And who does
gender chores.
Gender, who should we do them based on the gender? This is really his thing. He's Mr. Content Creator, as he calls himself.
Content. Hey yo, like this video if y'all feeling the content and the topics I'm bringing up.
Yeah, for sure. Like, comment, and share with your friends, because it definitely helps the channel to grow and it helps the videos to get out there to more people, more discussions. We got some big plans, okay, in the future. We have thoughts about what we're gonna do with this little series. We're gonna be discussing just the basic main household chores that probably universally we probably all have. So let's go.
The first chore that's an issue in this household.
How is it an issue?
It's an issue. It's laundry.
It's an issue? I want to hire someone to do
Well, it was an issue, and now
Listen,
it's like whatever. I accepted it, but it's still kind of an issue. Laundry, and in my opinion, the person who should be doing the laundry is the wife. It's the wife. In the Smith household, the one who does the laundry is the husband, which is crazy to me.
It's not crazy to me. You want to know why he does the laundry? It's because we've gotten into the habit of doing the laundry. And you know why is that? It's because when we had our house back a few years ago and we moved in, the washer dryer, one of them things was broken. And this Negro said that he had a finagling way that he would like plug the holes into the wall with a little water bottle, keep it stuck in there, and it would just like work. So he was like, okay, I'll do the laundry, whatever.
For now.
Okay.
Then I bought a new one, and it didn't change.
However, it did not change. One, I'm not even gonna lie, it was in the basement. I don't like dark places down below. Okay, I was a little scared of the basement. So
it was a finished basement. What are you talking about?
Listen, I'll give you that.
You act like we was
Two, okay. It's also because I suggested a long time ago that we can have a schedule of our household chores. And what did this man say? No, Max, why would I do that? We don't need to have a household chores. We're just gonna do it based off of, whatever needs to be done.
You're so ugly right now,
And now he wants to complain about it. It's crazy.
So you telling me you down to do a schedule right now?
Yeah, we can do a schedule, get on a whole new routine, brother. Whole new ball game.
Bottom line is, I do all the laundry, and I believe.
No, I do laundry sometimes. I definitely did laundry the other day. I did one load. Thank you.
One load?
I did one load because I needed some clothes for my audition.
Because she needed something. She ain't want to wait on me.
Listen, but I legit okay. Last summer.
City boys up one, hot girls. Laundry.
You ain't no dang city boy. I'm a hot mom, not a hot girl. Because I can't do hot girl summer.
City dad 1, hot mom 0.
Really?
For laundry. Trash.
He takes the trash out.
City boy 2.
Hold on.
City boy up 2.
Hold on.
City dad up 2.
We also have valet trash in our apartment building. So therefore, all you really gotta do is take the trash from right there and put it right outside the door.
No.
And somebody comes to pick it up.
Valet trash
Sunday
not
Thursday.
Valet trash Friday and Saturday.
They only come
Friday and Saturday.
Really? Why is that for? The most stuff is not accumulated just that day.
Yeah, when we lived in a town.
I usually don't even cook that much on Fridays or Saturdays, so.
Her diapers don't stop. And we gotta throw that out ahead of time sometimes because it'd be stinking.
Oh, the diaper pails out.
Do you believe that the men should take out the trash? Do you believe that?
I feel like depending on the conditions, I feel like for the conditions of where we live at, I think you should take the trash out, because there are times at night when I'm not going outside by my damn self, taking the trash out into that little dumpster area. I don't care.
Okay, so when should the woman take the trash out then? Since you said it's conditions. What's the condition?
When it's valet trash days.
But you ain't gotta take it out.
Exactly. So usually trash weighs a little bit more. I know I lift, but I don't want to do all that. I don't want to get all dirty and stinky.
Dog, when me and Jaleesa was in a dating phase and I used to go to her apartment, on the weekend. She used to have the trash in her house waiting for me to come there on the weekend. So it'll sit there for a week.
I don't remember any of this.
You're lying. It used to be in your laundry room.
I really don't remember. Oh, my laundry room. That's because
terrible.
like I live by myself.
Smell
back
like
then.
shit.
No. I live by myself. Okay, so someday, and I was working, I was lifting, I was training, whatever. I was tired when I came home someday. I had a dog. I was enough to take her little behind out and come back up. I did not want to have to go out and go back by myself and come back upstairs and. I mean, I don't think.
Alright, City Dad up 2, Hot Mom 0. Next chore is a chore I can appreciate deeply, cooking. And then she got it. City Dad 2.
Alright, Hot Mom 1. Alright, so I love to cook and I'm pretty good at cooking. However, I would like to just know what it feels like to come home to a hot home cooked meal.
You did last week.
It wasn't even ready, it wasn't plated, and it wasn't a hot home cooked meal. You made the Brussels sprouts, I will give you that, but you bought the shrimp and it was cold shrimp.
Yeah, it was good.
Shrimp.
Was it good?
It was cold shrimp, and then I made pasta to go along with it. So really,
I made rice.
You only brought You
ain't want it.
He microwaved rice, right? And for the Brussels sprouts, I'll give him that. Rice. He did organic rice, beautiful. Anyway, he microwaved rice. So does that even count as cooking? That doesn't really even count as cooking, does it?
Tell a full story.
It does not count as cooking. And I also talked to him when I was at work and told him exactly how I make the Brussels sprouts, and that's what he did. Okay.
Tell the full story.
I walked him through it.
Tell the full story.
That is the full story.
The full story is, if I do try to cook, it's two things. Either it's not gonna be good enough, or I put the wrong oil. I ain't put the healthy stuff.
All we have is healthy oil in our home. You lying.
I see canola oil in there. That's healthy?
No, that's to clean the dang, what is it called?
You just said we only got healthy oil in here.
No, that's to clean the that pot. What is it called? The cast iron. That's to clean that skillet. Anyway, y'all, let me just tell you, and I've voiced my opinion so many times. I don't know if it's ever gonna happen. I just wanna know what it's like to come home to a home-cooked meal, a home cooked. Even when we used to be dating and we were like, it was like Valentine's Day or our anniversary or whatever it was, he ordered food and it would be cold by the time I mean, sometimes it would be hot. No, it would usually be cold by the time I got there. I'm just saying it was nice, but home cooked is better. You can really impress a girl.
To cook.
You can really, okay, but you can learn. Just like you learn how to do everything else.
I cook spaghetti for you a lot of times.
No, you didn't cook spaghetti for me a lot of times. When the last time you did that? I don't think it was ever when we were in this apartment. That's for damn sure.
Dog.
He'd be like, I'd be like, why don't you make some spaghetti? No, Bugs, I don't even know how to like season the ground beef. I don't know how to season anything. I don't know how to season. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'd be like, hold the sea salt over top the food for 2 seconds.
Hold. I just grilled for the week, 2 weeks ago. I grilled the chicken for the week.
For the week? It was not it was for the day. We had that chicken.
4th of July?
No, Negro, it was for the day. What are you talking about?
No. I grilled a lot. I grill all the time.
He grilled one time this summer. How is that all the time?
No, I'm talking last year. I used to grill a lot for the week.
Yeah, you started when you got into the habit. It's just we're out of the habit again, so we just need to get back into a habit of you actually, you know, whatever. I'm down. Like as long as you actually just try. I'm just looking for effort, okay? I'm just looking for effort. Not even a home stuck Michelin star meal. I'm just looking for effort.
You got the cooking.
I enjoy cooking for my family, but
next chore. Like grocery shopping. Well, City Dad up 3.
No.
Hot Mom down 1.
Because I think this is about even. Because you might do the shopping like on the weekend. You'll take Savannah and y'all go shopping, so I have a little bit of a break.
Weekend?
But legit during the week, I'm in that store like at least 2-3 times during the week. So
do you understand? Do you
understand that I'm in that store about 2-3 times a week to make what I gotta make for the night after I get off of work?
Exactly. I'm glad you said that. She goes to the grocery store and buy 1 meal for the night and consider that going grocery shopping. I go spend $200 for the week. I'm going with Savannah. I bring Savannah with me.
By the time I get home at 7
We have a
p.m.
cart full of stuff. She go buy some chicken and some rice. Talking about she went grocery shopping.
No.
Stop it. That
but
doesn't
the thing
count.
is that like I will go and do a full day of work, come home. No, not even come home first. Go straight to the grocery store in my work clothes. Come home. Not even sit my ass down.
I'm tired
not
of you.
even sit my ass down. I'll go right to the kitchen, start prepping the food and cooking everything. And usually I don't even be finishing lately until like 8 o'clock at night. And who will be on the couch playing video games or watching a show?
Full story.
That is the full story.
Just the full story,
yeah. The full story like it's about lying.
No,
don't just think that I'm a liar. I'm not a liar.
You keep using this going to work thing. Listen, Jaleesa goes to work 3 days out of 7. 3. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that means Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. She ain't going to no work. And you keep saying like
3 days take a lot out of me.
Bro.
Okay, they take a lot of effort out of me on my part. I have to put on my whole alter ego just to go in that thing and perform.
Imagine if you only had to go into the office 3 days a week with your 4 kids.
I definitely work 5 days a week, but I telework 2 days a week.
I come in the house, I do the bulk of the grocery shopping. I'm not saying you don't go grocery shopping, but
no, this is also you're not telling the full
went today.
Story. No, you're not. Yeah, you did because I was exhausted from this weekend and from somebody up in my face and with her feet on my face and her feet in my ribs and her feet in my chest and my throat while I was sleeping last night, okay? While you had your own little comfy
I was on a couch.
You were on your, but you said it was really comfortable. So like you were over there, me and her over here, she tossing and turning all night, flipping all over the place. I'm making sure she's not gonna fall off the bed. So I don't want to fall off the bed. Like that's a safety issue. Anyway, like I was saying, this is highly debatable in our household, but
well,
when it comes to grocery shopping, I feel like we're about 50-50.
Alright.
I do.
Alright, just to make it fair. City dads, 2.5. Hot moms, 1.5. Since you want to do 50-50. Next, dishes / kitchen. Alright, stop. Cause you ain't about to get half of this. Maybe 70-30. But you ain't about to get 50-50 for this.
No, Darren.
I do the dishes. A lot more than her.
Because I cook.
Alright, I don't complain.
Because yes, you did complain. Last week you were like, not gonna help me.
City dad.
You can't help me, Bugs. All these dishes that you made. I was like, bro, I just came up with a whole 3-course meal for you. You talking about how many dishes I gotta use. It's messed up. But no, I definitely feel like I do my fair share of dishes, and I always clean the stove, and you don't never clean the stove for sure.
Is that once every 2 weeks?
No, Negro, it's not once. It's like at least once or twice a week that I have to clean the damn stove because you never clean that thing. That's
wipe
for sure.
it down. You don't clean the inside of the stove. Don't make it seem like
that's cleaning the stove, nigga. What am I
she
gonna do?
wipe off the top.
What else am I gonna do with the stove besides wipe it down? It's a gas stove. It's not a little flat electric top stove.
5 minutes to do.
Look, the battery. So let's go.
Bathrooms, you got it.
Yes, I always clean. I feel like I have some of like the most time and labor intensive chores though, honestly. Like the laundry you throw in there, you leave, you come back and get it out and you're done. But no, the bathroom, what this guy does, I don't understand how he can be 32 and not know how to flush a toilet. I still don't understand.
That shit don't flush
no, I don't know. No. I don't know how you don't just check behind you, just make sure it's flushed. What if you walked in and there was all kind of stuff from me in the toilet? You would look at me totally different, wouldn't you? No. Yes, it would be disgusting.
I'll flush it and go ahead by my day.
No, you wouldn't. No, ain't no damn score.
Cause the city dads,
we left out a huge one.
Hot moms,
for a whole other video. We left out a huge topic.
Yeah, you ain't about to get that one.
Yes, Savannah. I don't get Savannah.
We said we're gonna save it, but you ain't about to get that.
Savannah's a whole different topic of discussion, okay?
Bro.
And so we'll leave it at that. But the bathrooms and scrubbing that dirty, nasty toilet that you be just leaving specks of stuff on, and I don't even know how you don't just clean it off yourself. Yeah, I got that. And the shower.
Well, for the little you do around the house, I really appreciate.
The little that I do.
I appreciate it.
Wow.
It's like I appreciate you. I appreciate your chores.
You better appreciate them.
What about you? Ain't telling me you appreciate me yet?
Oh yeah, I appreciate you.
You better.
I do. But I tell him thank you all the time, and he just be like,
you tell me thank you for doing the dishes?
Yeah. I always say thank you for doing the dishes or for whatever you do.
You say thank you for doing the dishes?
I say thank you. Yes, I do. Yo, the thing is that I don't even understand I don't even understand how you don't hear these things, but I'm not surprised because you barely listen.
You might be saying that in your head.
No, I say thank you at least 3 out of 5 times you do them. And then you be looking at me crazy like, why'd you say thank you?
Close it out. Close it out.
All right, y'all. So that was this video. We hoped you liked it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know whatever, you know, what type of household chores you do, what kind of schedule y'all got going on. And let us know what other topics of discussion you want us to talk about. We're making a list and we're checking it twice. Just kidding, that was kind of corny. But by the way,
look,
whose birthday is next week?
Go season the chicken.
Whose birthday is next week?
That ain't next week.
Yes, it is already.
This week not over yet.
My birthday's next week though.
You're about to be 46.
Whatever. Anyway, we love y'all. We hope you enjoyed this video. So we will see you in the next one next Sunday. Same time, same place. Well, hell, not the same time. Someone's gonna be late. But 6 p.m.
Come on, let's get this up by 8. Say a post 1 p.m.